Hi friends, I am starting new series related to the Indian patent information. Here we are going to see all the steps before filing patent and at the time of the patent and after the filing the patent need to take care so that patent grant process will be the easy. And next we will see how to maintain the life cycle of the granted patent. So let's start. As you can see mentioned on the slide, part 1 before patent filing. So this is part 1 related to the steps which we need to take care before filing the patent. One scientist or innovator comes up with the idea to protect with the patent, then patent agent or person who take care of that patent or the advocate must evaluate that idea against few parameters which are necessary as per the Indian Patent Act 1970 to get the patent. Means the idea must qualify these parameters. So what are these parameters? Parameters are novelty, section 2L, inventive step mentioned in section 21JA, and industrial applicability mentioned as per definition section 21AC. So let's see what are these definitions. As per Patent Act 1970, the novelty, which also means new invention, is defined as the new invention means any invention which should not be anticipated by publication in any document or used in country or elsewhere in world before the date of the filing of the patent application. That is, the subject matter of the invention should not be fall under the public domain or doesn't constitute part of the state of the art. So once scientist tells his idea to patent agent, the patent agent must evaluate the same concept with respect to prior art. Is this idea concept is already known to the public? Is this available? Is any kind of patent literature or NPL, that is non patent literature, like journals, article, scientific research related program which have conducted by the various institute, etc. So if the idea is not covered by such article or prior art document, then this test is qualified. So for this evaluation we carry out prior art search analysis, and I will tell you exact detailed procedure of this analysis in my coming videos. We will move to the next slide. Now we will see the definition of the inventive step as per the Indian Patent Act. So Indian Patent Act under section 21J mentions the definition of the invention. So before inventive step we need to understand what is meaning of the invention. Invention means a new product or process involving an inventive step and capable of the industrial application. So invention consists of mainly two parts. One, it should be the inventive step, it's need to be the inventive step, and it should be the capable of the industrial application. So that means it should be necessary to be practiced in the industry. So what is capable or what should be the qualifier for the invention? It should be either process or product. So these two parameters or these two things can be capable for the invention if it satisfy the inventive step requirement and industrial application related to the criteria. So as per Indian Patent Act 1970, section 2JAB provides the definition of the inventive step. Inventive steps means that the invention should have any technical advancements as compared to the existing knowledge or any economical significance, or both, that makes the invention not obvious to a person skilled in art. Section 2AC provides definition related to the capable of industrial application. Capable of the industrial application means an invention to be patentable must be capable of being made or used in an industry. So I am changing the slides. So, inventive step, I have told you the definitions earlier. Now, how to qualify this test or how the subject matter should be drafted to qualify this test is very much necessary. So, before drafting and all, we need to understand what is the requirement. The requirement is that suppose one subject matter is there, so it should not be the idea or easily thinkable by the person ordinarily skilled in art. So, person ordinarily skilled in art means a person who has same knowledge as the inventor, okay, and he should not think of that invention at the same time. The invention should have any kind of technical advancements, means it should bypass some kind of raw material or steps which need to be existed process required, or it should be have cost benefits, so easily economically the anyone person can use that idea or invention. So third requirement is industrial applicability or capability to use that invention in the industry. So the invention which need to be patentable or subject matter, it should be used in the industry to produce any kind of the product or service which is helpful or beneficial for the human being. So these all three criteria must be satisfied the any subject matter who needs to be converted into the patent. So patent examiner evaluate the subject matter with respect to these three criteria before the granting of the patent. So I hope you have understood all these parameter properly, and in next video I will update you all the forms and procedures steps which are need to be take care at the time of the filing of the patent. So let's meet in next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.